It's a big myth that makeup tends to add years to your face. If you do it incorrectly, either by using the wrong product or wrong technique, then yes, you may look older. Hi, I'm Tarannum. I'm going to share a few tricks and rules of makeup application on mature skin so you can achieve any look without doubling up on the years. One of the basic rules of makeup is to keep it very light and avoid any product overload. For the base makeup, you may follow the tips shown in my previous video. For a fresh day look, keep it simple. Starting with the brows, please do not overdraw them. Instead, use a matte brown eyeshadow and just fill in any gaps with feather strokes. Make sure there are no harsh lines. You can set the brows with a tinted brow gel. This helps the brows look naturally prominent. Avoid using shimmery eyeshadows in general, and in case of a day look, very dark eyeshadows are not appealing either. Shimmer eyeshadows tend to settle into the lines, making the wrinkles appear more harsh. Therefore, they are best kept away. I suggest using light colors in a cream formula or medium to low shimmer powder formula. On Anupama today, for this day look, I'm choosing peach and coral colors in a matte formula. I'm applying the darker color closer to her lash line. Ensure you stretch the skin while applying the eyeshadow. Now for the transition, use the lighter color and blend it into the crease. While applying and blending the eyeshadow, pull up the brows so as to reach into the wrinkles or deep lines over the lid. Avoid using a liquid eyeliner unless you prefer that look. Most liquid eyeliners are too dark and have a shine to it. Instead, use a matte eyeshadow in black and diffuse it. Apply kajal if you prefer it. In case of small eyes, avoid using kajal. Instead, use a deep brown eyeshadow on the lower lash line. Curl your lashes and use a generous coat of mascara. Do not clump the lashes. Use a clean spoolie brush to remove any clumps of mascara. If you wish to wear false eyelashes, opt for individual lashes instead of a strip. This looks way more natural without trying too hard. If you wish to contour your face, use cream-based products. This will look more seamless. Powder-based product or bronzers will settle into the wrinkles, enhancing the appearance of fine lines. Use a cream blush very lightly on the apples of the cheek. In case of fair skin tone, use pink shades. In case of a medium or dark skin tone, use coral shades. If you have very dry lips, I suggest using creamy formula for lipstick. Matte shades will make it appear more dry. I hope these tips were helpful to you. Let me know if you have any questions in the comment section below, and I'll be happy to answer them. Until next time, stay tuned, stay glamorous.